Start with the famous hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, where he said, "Atadruna min al-muflis?" Do you know who the bankrupt person is? They said, "Ya Rasulullah, the bankrupt person is the one who has no money or no possessions." And he said, "No, it's those people amongst my ummah, the one who comes forth on the day of resurrection with their prayer, with their fasting, with their zakah." Imagine a whole lifetime of Laylatul Qadrs and Salah and Sadaqah, but he insulted this person, and he slandered this person, and he consumed the wealth of this person, he shed the blood of this person, and he beat this person. So all of these people are lined up, those who you hurt with your tongue, with your keyboard, or whatever else that you hurt them with. And the Prophet ﷺ said, فَيَقْعُدْ, so Allah sits him down. فَيَقْتَصَّ هَذَا مِنْ حَسَنَاتِهِ وَهَذَا مِنْ حَسَنَاتِهِ, and each one of those people comes, starts to take his good deeds away, until he is left with no good deeds whatsoever, completely bankrupt.